Apple is finally breaking tradition and doing something iPhone users have been asking for years. That's right, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might just be Apple's most ambitious iPhone yet. And it all starts with a single, shocking number: 5,000 milliamp hours. After years of modest battery updates, Apple appears ready to play in the big leagues. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a seismic shift in philosophy. And that's just the beginning. From next-gen display tech and powerful new chipsets to major camera upgrades, reverse wireless charging, and eco-conscious design changes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the most exciting iPhone launch since the iPhone X.Lay might just fire back with something that not only lasts longer, but does more with less. Why now, though? Why is Apple finally pulling the trigger on this upgrade? The answer is simple: AI. Apple Intelligence is set to become a core part of the iOS experience. With features like on-device machine learning, natural language processing, and real-time generative tasks, power demands are spiking. Add in LTPO, promotion displays, which drain more battery at higher refresh rates, and suddenly, that 5,000 mAh capacity doesn't just sound like a luxury, it sounds like a necessity. And speaking of displays, Apple is reportedly upgrading all iPhone 17 models, not just the Pro Max, with Samsung's M1 for OLED panels. That means 30% more brightness, better color accuracy, improved power efficiency, and extended screen longevity. Fun fact, Samsung hasn't even used these in their own flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra yet. So Apple might just be first to deploy M14 tech at scale. Talk about borrowing tech and then flexing with it. Now let's talk performance. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to jump from 8 GB to 12 GB of RAM, finally giving users the headroom for serious multitasking, pro-level video editing, and responsive AI features. And under the hood, the beastly A19 Pro chip, likely built on 3 nanometers or even 2 nanometers architecture. The focus here isn't just raw power, it's smarter, cooler, and more efficient computing. And for the first time, we might see vapor chamber cooling in an iPhone, helping the chip maintain peak performance during heavy workloads without turning your phone into a pocket heater. Mobile gamers and content creators, rejoice. Of course, no iPhone is complete without a camera upgrade, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is no exception. Leaks point to a new 48MP telephoto lens, better low-light performance via a variable aperture system, and an upgraded to 4MP front camera, perfect for vloggers, influencers, and anyone who wants their selfie game on point. Apple clearly wants to make the iPhone 17 Pro Max the ultimate content creation tool, and these changes back that vision up. So, what's the catch? You guessed it, pricing. With all these enhancements, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could start above $1,199, especially with Apple phasing out lower storage tiers and external economic factors like tariffs in play. Still, for power users, creatives, and tech lovers, this could be the most justifiable price jump in iPhone history. As always, we expect Apple to announce the device in September 2025, with pre-orders and shipping following the usual cadence. Final thoughts. If even half these rumors turn out to be true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the most complete, most future-ready iPhone ever. Bigger battery, brighter display, smarter AI, upgraded cameras, and a fresh design. This isn't just evolution, it's reinvention. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Apple's finally catching up with Android, or are they blazing a new trail altogether? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple breakdowns, insider leaks, and tech deep dives. While you're here, check out our latest video on the AirPods Pro 3 ITs, packed with next-gen audio features you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.